Hey, physics class. Look at this. Seniors, you're in your last week of class. And juniors, we just have a little bit more to go, right? What I want to do is receive questions on closeout, on grades. Let me see if I can answer some of them already. Seniors, this is your last week of class. You've got assignments up to the 8th. Chip away at them, no problem. If you still have assignments to finish, you've got till May 22nd. That's the last day of school. As far as everybody else, you guys have till May 22nd. That's the last day of school to finish the assignments. We still have, for my juniors, there are, goodness, I think 2 more subject matters, and really I'm trying to keep them informational. I know I gave some calculations and I promised I wouldn't do that, so I'm going to change any work that you've done to extra credit as far as calculation oriented. If it's conceptual, it's still just going towards formative. If it's a quiz type thing, it'll be towards summative, which means you can get 100% and improve your test grades. You have like 5 tries to do it. If you're doing 3 attempts and you're like, I don't get it, that's what I'm here for. Every day I'm here via email, via video conference, whatever, available to help you understand, help you improve your grades, whatever you need. If you're not comfortable sending me email, I'm going to create a Google survey, but really there's not really going to be a question other than, do you have questions about closeout? And what I'll do is try to answer those either in a video or with a Google Doc of some sorts and post those, like frequently asked questions. I hope that helps answer some questions. And seniors, I hope you're doing well and getting ready to be done with high school in this online learning environment, which can kind of be a drag. I hope you guys have a somewhat of a normal summer as things are getting to open up. And juniors, stick with it. You can do it. I'm hoping these weeks of engagement are interesting as far as big topics in physics, just trying to cover the basics. And we'll find out. So talk to y'all soon.